got premium subscription? I don't think so. Why? Texas Chainsaw Murs beginning got sexy Campbell boy. Can't watch. Okay, it all on Hobo Max.
Wanna watch it?
Watch what?
Chainsaw Massacre.
Sure.
We are.
It forcing for me. I think it's just you.
Let me end stream and start it again.
I hope one day I piss so good I pass out like her.
What? She sounds like Pearl. Talking about the old man that is hot?
Suze as fuck. Tommy. Skip this long ass intro. Know it lore. Bruh.
John Lesbian. You're gonna have to speak more clearly. He's screaming, how clear can you get? He obviously needs help. You talking about that dudes that's the cannibal. Foul.
I want me some sheriff stew. Hashtag a cab.
True.
Vroom, this motherfucker really started a fire in the car.
Like saying stop it, gone, do something.
They having steak tonight. Food gone to waste. On job that brunette nibba fine. No homo. This cop got big dick energy.
Stop.
Nah, that motherfucker needs to take a seat. If my aunt saw him in public, she'd clutch her purse.
Did he just say the hard R?
Brunette nibba Buddha make me. It Mac play. Huh. To me. Who?
Yeah, and love the monster.
He got cake. Y'all see they meet. Y'all hear a shard, or was it just me? I heard some dribblings of piss.
It's just you.
Monster motherfucker look kinda hot with dumbass. Not them using the fat bitch to block the door.
I was gonna say something mean, but I decided not to.
Say it. Say it, this is a safe space.
They got my 600-pound life to cameo.
They got Tammy and Amy. You going to hell for that. Mom got cake. Everyone in this family thick.
She's so dumb.
She's so fucking dumb. She fucking up her hair.
First world problem.
The only thing worse than being kidnapped is being bald and kidnapped. See, I told y'all that motherfucker a predator. Not me thinking he was about to put his dick in her mouth. Say. This is trying to play Dead by Daylight. She really took a drip, she a tampon.
Now how he get in there?
Right, how the police ain't noticed that car.
Wait, this was a true story?
They dumb, we don't need popo anyway.